Welcome to Crack a Pack. My name's Andrew. Today we're cracking open Strixhaven School of Mages. Let's get cracking. Our first card today is Crushing Disappointment, followed by Waterfall Aerialist, Bayou Gruff, First Day of Class, Prismari Pledge Mage, Stonerise Spirit, Letter of Acceptance, Silver Quill Pledge Mage, Academic Probation, Professor of Symbology, Fracture, Zephyr Boots, Elemental Expressionist, Defiant Strike is our Mystical Archives. We have Berry and Books in a foil treatment. Then we have a fractal token at the back. So again, we have our fractal. We have foil Berry and Books. We have Defiant Strike, which we talked about a couple of days ago. Then we have Elemental Expressionist, which we also talked about a couple of days ago. Then Zephyr Boots, Fracture, Professor of Symbology, Academic Probation, Silver Quill Pledge Mage, Letter of Acceptance, Stonerise Spirit, Prismari Pledge Mage, First Day of Class, Bayou Gruff, Waterfall Aerialist, and Crushing Disappointment. And that's all for today. Thank you for cracking along with me. Be sure to check back tomorrow as we crack open another pack.